Today is Monday, February 17th. This is a 1975-1976 Cadillac AC programmer for the climate control system. This is for my friend Daryl Gunnarsson in Moorhead, Minnesota. So the unit's been completely taken apart and completely rebuilt. The multi-port vacuum manifold has been disassembled and precision relapped, and the circuit board has been resoldered in two positions, and the primary electrical connector board and transducer was totally melted and replaced. The system will be shipping out today as soon as I get Daryl's okay to ship, reply confirmation. And I'm doing a functional validation test and relaxing the system to atmosphere, and that's how the vacuum actuated AC climate controller for the 1975-1976 Cadillac Eldorado functions. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1976 Cadillac Eldorado items and over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. And I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the power servos from 67 to 70, and the AC vacuum controllers such as this for the latter year Cadillacs. Today is February 17th. Thank you very kindly.